Hello friends, earlier we have seen construction 11.1 and 11.2 and related other examples. Now we are coming to construction 11.3 to construct the tangent to a circle from a point outside it. Given a circle, that is the question, given a circle with center O and a point P outside it, construct tangent from P to the circle. Now here circle is given. That means circle, if the radius is given, we need to take that particular radius. If radius is not given, in this case, then in that case you will have to draw circle of your own choice. That is, you will take your own radius, whatever you want to. I haven't measured it. I am just drawing a circle. So I am drawing a circle. Yes, the circle is drawn. Do mark the center O, because it is given that circle with center O is given. Now there is a point P which is given outside it. So we are marking point P which is outside. Sometimes you may be given at particular distance. Here we have been not given any distance, that at what distance from center this point P is there. So we have randomly taken point P at some distance from the center. Now in this case, what we need to do? We need to find out midpoint of OP. We need to find midpoint of OP, and therefore we will draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Now you already know how perpendicular bisector is drawn. Either you take this radius equal to OP or more than half of AP and draw two arcs on either side of OP. This I have drawn one arc on either side with O as the center. Now I am drawing another two arcs with P as the center. This I have drawn. Now what I will do? I will join this two. Actually I wanted midpoint of OP. So I am joining this. This I have joined. It is a line, so I am putting arrowheads on both sides, and this midpoint I call it as M. Now I will draw another circle with center M, and radius OM. Radius OM. Look what I have taken. I have taken OM, or you can take PM. Okay. Now then we are drawing a circle with that particular radius. Such that it intersects the given circle in 2 points. Given circle in 2 points. This was the given circle with center O. So 2 points are here, A, and this point is B. I hope you understood what did we do. We have taken a point P at some distance. We are drawing OP. After we draw OP, we are then drawing perpendicular bisector of OP in order to get the midpoint. Having obtained midpoint M, we are drawing a circle with center M and radius OM. or radius PM. And then we are getting 2 points where the circle that we have drawn is intersecting the original circle, the given circle. We mark them as A and B. The last point that we do is we are now drawing this particular ray PA and PB. We are drawing PA and PB. So let's draw that. This is one tangent and this one is another tangent. And remember, tangent is a line that intersects a circle only in one point. Tangent is a line that intersects a circle in one point. The point at which it intersects, that is known as point of contact. And this point of contact, if I draw the radii from B and A to center O, then those radii are always going to be perpendicular. This property we have earlier already seen. This is how this particular construction is done. So do remember, very easy construction it is. Circle is given with center O. Circle is given with center O. P is a point outside it. Then we are drawing OP. After drawing OP, we are constructing perpendicular bisector of OP so that we get midpoint M. Using M as the point, the center, we are drawing another circle such that it intersects given circle in 2 points A and B. Then we draw two rays, what we call them as tangents, PA and PB. So there are two tangents that we have drawn. This is how this construction is done. Okay. We'll continue with next construction in our next session.